All right, so it's our first morning. We got here yesterday and it's a little warm, but we got through it. So it's the first day of school. Felipe is right ahead of me. How you feeling?
Afraid.
Afraid, yeah, that's a good way of phrasing it.
You will regret imitating us. Yeah. Watch out. Watch out.
All three of these guys. On this island, the sun always sets at like the same time every day, which is different than in the US, where in the US, the sun sets at a different time depending on the year. Long week.
Low-key, I don't know.
Weird week.
Have your kids been really rowdy?
My go-to snack.
One quarter. You can't beat that.
So you like move it around wherever you want it, and then you tap it twice, and then I just have to go all the time. Did you tap the lid?
Yeah, I did. What's cracking? Yeah, what's poppin', miss? What? And he's gonna get
What's up, YouTube? It's your one and only Rikaki, 14, and I'm back at it again with another
Are just dismissing.
See you soon.
Okay, and that's it. Just like that, the year is over. It's hard to say goodbye, but I'm very thankful for this place and thankful for all the people that impacted my time here. And I'll be back soon. See you guys.
Let me take you to my roots, take you to my island. I'm talking palm tree, beautiful horizon.